What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Today we're going to be talking about NIO raising money in the Hong Kong markets. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And also make sure you hit the like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Lastly, if you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click the link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive one free stock valued anywhere from $2.50 to $250. And when you make that initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another free stock, and this free stock will be valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency on the platform with zero commission. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 6:14 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is trading at $42.30. It is up 17.44% today. Amazing day for NIO, and up 2.30% in the after hours. So a Reuters exclusive reported that NIO, amongst other Chinese names in new energy vehicles such as Li Auto and Xpeng, could be listing on the Hong Kong exchanges as soon as this year. So I want to talk about this from the perspective of a NIO investor, and I think my starting point is going to be their balance sheet. So in Q4, NIO actually reported that they had $6.5 billion of cash and cash equivalents on their balance sheet. So to me, that is a pretty strong cash position. That's enough cash to get them through the bad times. It's a good amount of cash to reinvest a portion of it into the business. Some investors might be thinking, well, why are they trying to tap into the Hong Kong market? Cash, if it's used appropriately, can be a catalyst for growth. You're going to see a lot of growth stocks or companies that are growing very fast, raising capital. Typically, you see that happening very often. The way I look at it is I don't mind sharing a little bit of the pie if the people I'm sharing the pie with are going to help to make the pie a lot bigger. The Reuters article says that the trio aims to sell at least 5% of enlarged share capital in the Asian hub, and based on today's market cap, proceeds could reach $5 billion. If you're watching the fundamentals of NIO, you know that NIO is just getting started and they haven't even scratched the surface of their potential, right? They're only able to produce around 10K cars per month, and that's while running a double shift. And of course, I know that with the chip supply constraints and the battery problems, they can only produce around 7,500 per month until those supply constraints get resolved. But basically what I'm saying is that you're still early to NIO. They've got a long, vicious fight in a capital intensive market, and they're going to need to make the right investments in order to win the day. So in the aspect of NIO putting money back into their business, let's just talk about R&D. Back in 2019, I read an article that referred to NIO as the R&D king because of how much money that they put into R&D at the time. And at the time, some people are probably thinking, hey, this company's losing a ton of money. Like, why are they putting so much money into R&D? Well, actually, in my opinion, something that's very attributable to the success that they've had in 2020 and are seeing right now is making those investments back into the business, putting that money towards R&D, figuring out what's going to work in certain markets, figuring out what the users want and like. So me seeing $6.5 billion on their balance sheet right now, I actually want them to get rid of a good portion of it and make sure that it gets put back into the business so that the business can grow even more further down the road. And I'm sure that they're already doing this. Actually, they are already doing this. Research and development was up 40% from Q3 to Q4. And back in 2019, William Li said that NIO is a high-tech company. They have over 4,200 patents worldwide, and they're going to need to keep on making investments into research and development to support their technological growth. So I'm not really short-term with my thinking in NIO. Like I said, you're still pretty much early to NIO. They're a niche automaker, but as far as profitability, I think the thing here is that we all know that profitability is going to come one day, but I would rather see them delay profitability, put that money back into the business, make it bigger, and then when we do reach profitability, it's going to be massive. Long-term profits over short-term profits. It's no different when you're talking about a company. So I don't mind NIO tapping into the Hong Kong markets at all. I think it's smart for companies to make hay when the sun shines, if you will. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.